Hi, my mom is a first grade teacher and she was having this problem 2 days ago where her Elmo TT-02 RX document camera wasn't working with Zoom. So when she would go into Zoom and press share screen, advanced, content from second camera, and then share, it would show a black screen or it would show her camera a second time. So we tried downloading drivers, we tried going to their website, everything, it just wasn't working. So I found this workaround that you can use with your class as well. So you need these two cords first. They should come with your Elmo. So this first cord right here is a printer cord. On one side it has this printer input, on the other side it has a USB. And for this cord you probably have in your house, it's just connected to your printer, so you can use it also for this. The other cord you should have is the power cord. If you don't have the power cord, you can use some laptop power cords. They work the same. So to get started, you just need to plug in your printer cord right here and your power cord right here. The other end of the printer cord is USB. This is what you're going to be plugging into your computer. So if this worked, there should be a red light on right here. Now, before we do anything, we have to go to the Elmo Interactive Toolbox website. So that's elmousa.com/software. I'll have the link to that down in the description. So on this website, don't download the EIT, don't download the toolbox, don't download any of this. You have to get ImageMate 3 for Windows and Mac. So click on that. It'll download right here. Let's click on it to open it up. So that you'll have this folder, ImageMate 3, but as you can see, this is a zipped file. So you're going to have to unzip that. Now, on a Windows computer, the way to unzip is you right click on it, you click Extract All, and then just click Extract. It'll do its thing. Okay, great. And now it opens up another window. You can close the old one, go into this one. I'm using Windows, so Windows. There's this little README that gives you instructions of exactly what to do. That's what I'm going to be doing as well. But something important to note, ensure that your Elmo document camera is not connected to your computer during this installation. So I haven't plugged this in yet, okay? Now start with the ImageMate setup file, then do the driver setup file if, only if, you have one of these listed document cameras. I have the TT-02 RX, so that's in the TT-02 series, so I will be downloading the drivers. So to start off, we go to ImageMate setup. Yes. Okay, English. Next. Feel free to read this. You can even print it out, it's not very long. Accept those terms, and then install. Okay, finish. Now that's one down, okay? So on your desktop now, there should be this right here, ImageMate. If that worked, then time to install the drivers. Yes. Okay. Next. Install. Okay, everything's checked off. Finish. Finish. Now, first, power on the document camera. Wait for it to warm up. Once this blue light is solid, then you're good. Take the USB port, plug it in right here. Okay, computer dinged, it noticed. For some people, if this is your first time plugging it in, there will be a little pop-up right here that says installing drivers. wait for that to finish before you continue. Okay, so now that you have your document camera plugged in and you have ImageMate installed, the next step is to open up Zoom. It's important that you open up Zoom before you open up your document camera. So let's make a new meeting here. Great, it's working. Now what you do is you open up ImageMate. Make that full screen, and then you can open up Zoom. If you don't have this little corner window, you can press Alt-Tab to show all your screens that are open, and then go to your Zoom meeting right here. You can click on it, or you can press Tab to get there. So you go to that, should open up Zoom like this, press Share Screen. There's going to be two ImageMates. This one could say ImageMate Live as well. Make sure to click on this one, not the little window here. If you click on the little window here, you're not going to share what you want to share. This is going to share the document camera. You can tell the difference because, that's actually like my table. I can put my hand under it. You can see my hand. So here we go. Everything is shared. Now, there's this little pen here as my cursor, and I can draw on the screen if I want to. If you do that by accident, you can move your cursor to the bottom and clear screen. There's also this Save As, so you can take a photo, whatever's right here. If you want to take a photo of something during class, upload it, email it to someone later, you can save it there. Now you can use your document camera during class. To stop sharing, just press Stop Sharing. You can end the meeting. Close Zoom. Now the document camera is still open. So you click on this in the top right to exit full screen mode. You can exit that here, and then you can exit the ImageMate application, press yes, and that's it. That's how you use your document camera with Zoom if your computer isn't recognizing it as a document camera.